Hello everyone, my name is Tejas S Dabhade. I have recently completed Evision's 45 days IT internship program. After completion of that program, I have joined OutworX Technology with the package of 3 LPA. In Evision, I got to learn about CCNA, cybersecurity, ITIL, configurations of network systems, device, etc. In Evision, you will get perfect teachers who guides us whenever we face any doubts, perfect HR team which gives us day-to-day calls after completing the program, which takes our review, whether how we face our interview, is there any doubts, if we are facing any doubts, we have to just convey them and they just resolve the doubt. I must say Evision is a good institute where you can start your IT career, and I have to give a big thanks to my HR Priya ma'am who guided me and provided perfect calls and solved my doubts whenever I was in trouble. Thank you so much.